Hi guys, my name is Saim Sadiq, and their names are.
Rasti Farouk,
Sarwat Gillani,
Alina Khan.
And we're the team of Joyland. We're about to play a very fun trivia game for which I will be the judge, and these are the two teams. Team A, would you like to pick
A sound?
buzzer sound?
A buzzer sound?
You'll make it every time.
I will
आप
attempt.
ट्राई करना चाहेंगे ये साउंड? जब भी आपको सवाल पूछा जाएगा आपको एक बजर साउंड निकालनी पड़ेगी ना, तो वो साउंड ये है. निकाल के देखना. Very nice.
Good, excellent.
Rasti is going to tell us.
that's the sound.
That's
Okay.
our version.
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 1.
Yes.
पाकिस्तान की कौमी मशरूब यानी कि नेशनल ड्रिंक कौन सी है?
Oh,
गन्ने का जूस.
That is correct.
Did you know the answer?
no, I thought it was Blue Hamza or something. Or Jami Shireen. God,
Question number 2, guys. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा मुल्क कौन सा है साइज वाइज?
Size wise.
Okay.
Australia?
Incorrect. You guys will have one more chance.
Africa.
A mulk.
That's it.
Canada?
That's a continent.
United States.
Incorrect. Okay.
Sorry.
No pressure. पाकिस्तान की सबसे पहली ट्रांसजेंडर डॉक्टर का नाम? Shame on you.
But she was almost there.
Very much.
Dr. Sarah Gill.
Yeah.
All right. There you go. Thank you, Dr. Sarah Gill.
Okay. Maths question.
Maths
No.
question.
Rasti.
Actually, common sense question. अगर आप 1/4 को 3 हिस्सों में डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितने हिस्से बनेंगे?
अगर आप 1/4 को
Did say?
तीन.
Oh, wow. You got it. Nice.
Question number 5. First Muslim women या woman जो कि किसी भी मुल्क की प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनी थी.
East Pakistan, Bangladesh. What was her name?
एक मुसलमान औरत जो किसी मुल्क का की हेड ऑफ स्टेट बनी थी. हाँ.
Milan.
No. Correct.
Go. I think it was Bangladesh की जो थी, पर मुझे नाम याद
I think it was the
But
Bhutto.
maybe that's not.
हाँ?
Bhutto.
Benazir Bhutto.
Bhutto, yeah.
Oh, she
yeah.
was a. Really?
Yeah, that's
Yes.
first
Wow.
prime minister.
Whoa.
But they get the point. She
No,
said
they don't.
Bangladesh,
She said Bangladesh
Like
is written
70
in Bangladesh.
times I said Bhutto.
Iceland, he said it first.
Okay.
After like
Of course I said it first.
No, this disqualified.
No, why?
4 attempts के बाद.
So, and Russia you wanted.
You didn't give it to us.
Question number 6. एक बच्चे का सेक्स किसकी वजह से डिटरमिन होता है? अम्मी की वजह से, अब्बू की वजह से?
Abba ki.
That's correct. दुनिया का या की सबसे छोटी नोबेल प्राइज विनर कौन है?
Malala. So we're even now, yeah?
We're ahead.
No, 3.
Okay.
Okay. Question number 8.
Uh-huh.
रेनबो में कितने कलर्स होते हैं?
7.
And tell us.
7.
Which colors?
Yeah, that was not part of. Can I see the
Okay,
card?
it's,
Can I see the card?
it's-
There. No, you don't have to, sweetie. You don't have to.
No, but just for information for our viewers.
It's all, what do you call it? The word? Indigo? No.
Yeah,
Indigo is one of the colours.
One of the.
No. There's a word
Yeah,
that determines
okay.
violet, all of that. But that's all part of the question.
But tell us the second
Why? I'm not here as a teacher.
सूरज के करीब सबसे ज्यादा करीब कौन सा प्लैनेट है?
Mars.
Incorrect.
What?
Venus.
Oh my God,
wait.
I'm embarrassed.
Where does it start from?
सबसे करीब सूरज
Jupiter.
के सबसे करीब. हाँ?
Jupiter.
Oh my God.
Saturn.
I think all of them are gone except the right answer. I will give you a hint. I will give you a hint. But after that, whoever screens the answer first, okay?
Whoever farts
It
the
is
buzzes first.
it is also an element of the periodic table.
Guys, come
Wow, we're so dumb.
वो जानवर जो सिर्फ घास फूस खाते हैं उनको क्या कहते हैं?
Herbivore.
Okay, 4 on.
It's true.
Okay, fun question. None of you will know this.
Okay.
पाकिस्तान में कितनी ज़बानें बोली जाती हैं?
Oh boy.
नंबर बताएं कितनी ज़बानें?
I want to say
11.
One of the numbers in the right number is 7. Which means you're very wrong. Because the
47.
Huh?
47.
No, that's when we were
Satra.
created. Pakistan.
70.
No.
Don't you have it on your car?
I do.
Oh, you do?
नहीं
11.
हमारे बोले जाते हैं
I just want it to be an expose of how much you guys don't know the answer. No, I didn't. But I knew a rough number.
I don't want to take random numbers.
74.
74?
Where
आप
are
डर
you?
I
डर
learned
के
something brand
promotion
new
के बाद
today.
किताबें खोलें.
74.
फन पाकिस्तान में किस सन में या साल में नाइट क्लब्स बैन किए गए थे?
Oh boy.
नाइट क्लब्स
जब
Some
ज़ियाउल
zyada
आया।
and some zyada.
What was the year?
ज़ियाउल 1980s में आया था, है ना?
Close.
I
so
want to
wrong.
say 86.
He died in 86.
79.
And now they're just guessing. It's wrong.
75.
Wrong. 77.
77.
Okay,
So,
nobody gets the point. It's still 4 on.
Yes. Okay.
Is this game supposed to make us feel better or worse? Not life in general. Worse, I think.
What is the past tense of the word cut?
Cut.
Yeah.
Cut.
but
I said it.
Huh? There is no usage of buzzer. Why did you spend so much time in deciding?
I'm doing
Yes.
it.
What is it?
Cut.
Yes.
Yeah, so 5-4.
You were there.
Okay.
Cut.
चल।
पंजाब में जो कितने दरिया फ्लो करते हैं और उनके नाम भी बताने हैं.
Okay.
झेलम,
या
चनाब,
रावी, सतलुज,
और
Ka-
एक और है।
Kabul.
Alina, आपका
नहीं मुझे पूरे नाम
नहीं, एक सेकंड रुक जाओ। हमें ऑलमोस्ट आता है।
Should I give you a hint?
Yes.
It spells
Rising.
like bay.
Spells like bay.
Yeah.
Very simple.
This is a great hint.
Bay.
No?
It spells like.
Like literally the name of the river.
बे।
Means you don't know it. You know, it's not that you're forgetting it. You don't know. It's
I'm
Beas.
getting it.
Beas.
Yeah. We got 4, man. Come on, give
Yeah,
us
we
What
that.
is
Four.
it? Is that a point?
Thank you. We got the
So,
number.
6-4.
Yeah.
Okay. First transgender lawyer.
अबीरा राव
Nisha.
Yep.
7,
7, 4.
3, 7, 3.
7, 4.
एक
7-4.
बड़े साल में यानी कि लीप ईयर में कितने दिन होते हैं?
And 365.
No, that's wrong.
Leap year at 360. 4. 3.
एक दिन
No, more.
No.
I think it's
3.
360.
Wait.
360 and then 30.
367. Screw it.
366. 365 is a regular. One more year. One more day. कान फिल्म फेस्टिवल
Oh my God.
की जो मेन सीढ़ियाँ हैं उनके स्टेप्स कितने हैं? How many steps?
Okay, wait. This
I
has
don't
to be a
know.
random number
I
guess
don't know.
thing.
Guys, Myra will
I'm
know
just
this.
going
Just saying.
I want to
back.
say
You're in her.
365.
14.
362.
One of the words is one of the letters is correct.
32.
14 if one of the
24.
letters is correct. How is it 32?
24.
24.
Huh?
24.
Yes.
But
I don't know. You want to give that point to me? That is that 24
So,
steps.
7-5.
Yes.
okay.
Okay.
Alina, help कर ले यार.
ट्रांसजेंडर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट जो पाकिस्तान में है वो किस साल में आया?
28.
Why don't you buzz first?
हमने बोला
Wait, wait,
है
wait.
She said
पहले
first.
मैंने फर्स्ट बोला
बट आप बजर बजाएं पहले अपना। हाँ।
मेरा वो निकलता नहीं है मुझे वो बड़ा सोच के निकालना पड़ता है
No, she said first, लेकिन आवाज नहीं आई.
तो बजर है ना, बजर राउंड है ना, तो हमने बजर बजाया, उन्होंने जवाब दिया।
और उस राउंड में जब आप बजर
आप लोगों ने भी जवाब दिया।
मैं
है,
हर
जिसमें आपने नहीं
नहीं, मैं हर राउंड में बजर बजा रही हूँ।
that's true.
That is true.
I stand by Sarwat.
Thank you.
नहीं मैं अपना नंबर नहीं जाने दूंगी
So, 7-5.
Very good.
ठीक है.
हाय क्यों मेरा खाई जा रहे हैं नंबर इतनी मुश्किल से नंबर आ रहे हैं 9 मैं नहीं प्लेन करती हूँ मैं
Yeah.
ट्रांस हूँ इसलिए मेरे नंबर खा रहे हैं 9 प्लीज 6 7
This is a running joke in our वो कि अलीना को जब भी कुछ नहीं मिलता तो अलीना आगे से हमें ये बोलती है कि मुझे साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेट करें क्योंकि मैं ट्रांस
हम दे देंगे आपको।
इस सवाल का जवाब में बजर नहीं है।
जवाब देंगे।
चीखेंगे अपना जवाब जिसने पहले चीख के बोल दिया वो बोल दिया।
So, right now it's 7-6. So there are 2 more questions left.
So you can still win.
Yeah, so both of you can.
I have an energy about you that you can win.
Yeah.
Okay. पाकिस्तान की वो पहली फिल्म जो कानपुर फेस्टिवल में गई थी. Who said it first? Rewind करके देखिए. I think he said it first.
Okay.
And it's more fun. Yes.
There was screams coming from there, and a buzzer came as well.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
this is not a buzzer.
Last question again.
Last question.
चीखना है जवाब जैसे ही सवाल खत्म हो जाए. बजर या हाथ नहीं उठाना
stressful.
और खुद भी नहीं उठना. पाकिस्तान की 2022 की ऑस्कर्स में सबमिशन कौन सी फिल्म?
Just cause you can scream louder.
No, he screamed first.
I screamed first. Literally screamed first.
Yes.
Rewind and watch.
You want them to win, don't
No,
you?
why?
Yeah, he does. It's like उसकी chair
Really?
is side पे.
What?
Yeah, your foot is also tilting towards
Yeah,
them.
This
This
is
is
rigged. It was
this is
rigged, this whole
2022.
Okay, so
Fair and square. They win. The team. Congratulations. आपको बहुत इज्जत और प्यार मिलेगा इंशाल्लाह.
We are winners in life. Okay, that's
Yeah.
what we are.
Yeah.
Generally.
We're honest people who
Whatever.
buzz first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Honest people who buzz.
Who buzz?
Who buzz first.
हेलो एवरीवन, हमारी फिल्म जॉयलैंड जो कि 18 नवंबर में पाकिस्तान में रिलीज़ हो रही है, सो प्लीज़ जाएं और मूवी को ज़रूर देखिएगा. टिकट लेना मत भूलिएगा. थैंक यू.